Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Wix eCommerce, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Wix homepage in your web browser. Click on the Get Started button located on the top right corner of the page. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. After filling in your details, click Sign Up. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google or Facebook account by clicking their respective buttons. Once signed in, you will be directed to the Wix dashboard. Click on Create New Site to start building your e-commerce store. You'll be asked what kind of website you want to create. Select Online Store from the provided options. Next, you will choose between using the Wix ADI or the editor. Wix ADI offers a quicker setup by asking simple questions, while the editor provides more customization. If you prefer the ADI, follow the prompts and fill in the required information. If you opt for the editor, start by selecting a template that best suits your business. Once your template loads, you can customize it to fit your brand style and needs. Add your products by selecting the Store tab in the left sidebar. Click on Add New Product to start inputting product details. You can upload images, write descriptions, and set prices for each item. Once all products are added, review your online store to ensure everything looks correct. Navigate to the Settings tab to configure these essential functions. Choose payment methods that suit your business, such as credit cards or PayPal. Similarly, set up shipping options to ensure your customers receive their orders efficiently. After all configurations are complete, click the Publish button to make your store live. Congratulations, your Wix e-commerce store is now registered and fully operational. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.